Hi, today news is Domenico Pellico and raped her and invited dozens of other men to do the same. Well, today Domenico Pellico was found guilty of aggravated rape, guilty of the attempted aggravated rape of another woman, and guilty of taking indecent images of his daughter and his daughters-in-law. He was sentenced to 20 years in jail. It was a stoic Gisèle Pelicot who was in court showing no emotion as guilty verdict after guilty verdict was read out in court against the man who had abused and violated her. One defendant was acquitted of rape and aggravated rape but was guilty of sexual assault. Jail sentences range from 3 years to 15 years and less than an hour ago. Gisèle Pelicot then made a statement outside the court saying that she never regretted at all her decision to go public. I think also about all the other families. I think finally to the victims in these stories which are often in the shadows and we have the same struggle. I want to express my gratitude very profound to all the people who supported me during this difficult time. Your witness, your statements have really moved me and they given me the others to come, the strength to come back every day for these long days of the trial. I would like to also thank the Association of Victims who have really helped me without fail, and to all the journalists who have followed me and follow this affair from this beginning. I would like to express my gratitude for the treatment faithful and respectful that you have on a daily basis follow the proceeding to my lawyers. Finally, I would like to express my recognition and the esteem that I have to the throughout each step of this process. I wanted by opening the doors of this trial in September last so that society could see what was happening. I never regret this decision. I trust and I have confidence in our capacity collectively to find a better future in which what man and woman alike can harmoniously together with respect and mutual respect. That's Gisèle Pelicot outside the court after the verdicts and the sentences. Well, our France correspondent Andrew Harding has been following the case throughout in reports. Now on the story leading up to this extraordinary trial and the verdicts that we had today, it all happened here in a quiet village in southern France. A retired electrician, Domenico Pellico, was experimenting with drugging his wife Gisèle, putting to her sleep. Over the years, the drugs made her increasingly sick. She believed that she had a brain tumor, and for 10 years she has been going from one doctor to the other without knowing what was happening to her. In fact, her husband was contacting local men online, inviting these strangers at night into the couple's bedroom and filming them as they abuse a Gisèle drug and unconscious body. It is possibly one of the most shocking aspects of this case, how easily he found 50, maybe 100 men in the neighboring area willing to participate in these scenarios. It's harrowing to think about because it suggests that it's everywhere. Yes, so who were these local men? We seen them in mask outside the court. The French police eventually identified 50 of them and put them on trial alongside Domenico Pellico. One man has just agreed to meet me anonymously, his daughter speaking here on his behalf, arguing that her father thought the couple had both consent. He did not understand how this could have happened. He was tricked by Domenic. But your father admits that he raped her. You raped Gisèle Pelicot, yes, but not intentionally. Maybe he should be punished. He should have realized, but 10 years is too much. It's an affair. But in court, Domenico Pellico said the others were as guilty as him. I am a rapist. Likely the others in this courtroom, them knew everything, and them crucially came the grotesque videos filmed by Domenico Pellico, hard evidence that is so rare in rape trials. In the video you can hear Gisèle Pelicot snoring, so it's absolutely obvious that she is sleeping, and for the defendants it's very complicated for them to defend themselves and to pretend, well, I didn't rape her. With this kind of proof over the course of this trial, Gisèle Pelicot has in some ways eclipsed the accused on inspiration to so many women. It doesn't take a lawyer, it doesn't take a minister, it doesn't take a government official to make an impact for women's rights. It just takes a woman with guts. Gisèle Pelicot could have remained anonymous. Instead, she embraced a public role, the victim who refused to feel shame. Thank you so much.